Morning all of you. I'm Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the second chapter of class 6 more on Windows. In last class I have also solved the questions of the chapter first, and today's going to continue with the objective of chapter second. We have also discussed about the various topics of this topic is chapters, new features of the Windows 10, and like as the more personal, continuum, and task view, searching made easier, Edge, Action Center, Windows Hello, and creating a new desktop, which is very important and very useful, and moving apps between the desktop, closing a desktop, utilities of Windows 10 like as the Windows Media Player, and copying data to CD, DVD, that is the burning of CD, and playing a movie using VLC Media Player, disk cleanup, working with the control panel, changing date and time, to change date, to change time, what actions would require, and fonts, different types of the fonts and different style of the writing character, changing the mouse setting, and replacing the double click with the single click, and power saving modes, sleep modes, hibernate modes, and enable hibernation. So these are the various topics which we have discussed in previous class. But today's objective of chapter 2 of class 6. First question in the fill in the blanks: Microsoft Windows Media Player used to run and organize digital media file on a computer. Second, ripping refers to the copying song from CD, DVD to a computer. Third question, different styles of writing character text in a specific size is known as the fonts. And fourth question, dash is used to remove the unnecessary file from a computer hard disk. Answer is disk cleanup. Fifth, dash allow you to change the Windows 10 into the touch friendly interface is called tablet mode. That is the continuum. And second question is true false. You can drag and drop app from one desktop to another in the task view pane. Second answer is true. Second question, Windows 10 automatically change the tablet mode if it detects that there is no keyboard attached. The statement is true. Third question, the reading mode of Microsoft Edge opens a web page with only the pictures displayed. The statement is false. And fourth question, Windows Hello enable you to perform quick actions such as adjusting the screen brightness. Answer is false. And fifth question, burning a CD and ripping a CD are the two entirely different operations. The statement is true. So these are the true and false. And section B, MCQ. You can customize the mouse setting by selecting the dash option in the control panel. Answer is mouse. Second question, the dash display alert for your device and all the apps in the slide out pane of the right of the desktop. Answer is Action Center. Third question, dash is a new feature in the Windows 10 which enables you to organize the application running on the computer. Answer is task view. So these are the objectives of chapter 2 class 6. Next class I will solve the short answer questions, and also discussed in regarding this objective. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.